Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Garden. So today I will discuss what is leaf prune and how it's do. So let's start. Look at this. This is single stem fig tree branch. If I want multi branch from this single stem, I will do leaf prune instead of branch cutting. There is two methods to prune fig tree to get more branch. One of them is leaf prune and the second one is you will cut upper side of the branch to get more branches grow downward. But from this way we will save the upper tip and get more branches also. Very simple technique you can do in your home to get more fig branches and more fruit. I hope you understand.